Getting the error, Ubisoft has detected an unrecoverable error and must shut down? Don't worry, here are quick fixes that actually work. Step 1. Delete Ubisoft cache folder. Right-click on the Start menu and click Run. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. Now find the folder named Ubisoft Game Launcher. Right-click and delete it. If it doesn't delete, make sure Ubisoft is completely closed, including from the system tray. Then try deleting again. Step 2. Disable in-game overlay. Open Ubisoft Connect and log in. Click on your profile icon and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Interface. Now uncheck Enable in-game overlay for supported games. Close the launcher and try launching your game again. Step 3. Reset PC last option. If the issue still continues, open Settings System Recovery. Click on Reset PC. Choose Keep My Files so your data stays safe. Complete the reset and then launch your game. That's it. Your issue should now be fixed. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take